Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video we will make line head bracelet for girls and kids. We will make two patches with off-white yarn. I am using three colors yarn. We will start making the face with off-white yarn. Here I am using 100% cotton yarn with 3 ply, with 3 loops or 3 ply like this. First of all, we will make the face. Into our first round, we have make 6 single crochet into magic ring, and into the second round we will make 2 single crochet into the each stitch, and at the end of second round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Into our third round we will make 1 single crochet into first stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. We will repeat it till the end, and at the end of third round we will have 18 single crochet in total. Now we are going to make our fourth and last round. Into our fourth round we will make 2 single crochet in 2 stitches and 2 single crochet consecutive into the third stitch. We will repeat it till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 24 single crochet. As you can see that we have completed our fourth round. Now we will close this round with a slip stitch. We will join orange color yarn for the lines here. First of all, we will make chain 1 and 2 half double crochet. Then we will make 2 slip stitches. Again make chain 1 and 2 half double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch. Again we will make 1 chain 1 and 2 half double crochet, and then chain 1 and slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. We will repeat it till the end. As you can see that lines here are also almost completed. Now we will cut the yarn. Now we will work at the second patch of the face. First of all, we will make the ears of the line with light yellow color. First of all, we will make a slip stitch, and then we will make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will slip stitch into the same stitch like this, and here we will cut the yarn. here. Now we will skip some stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will skip 6 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we will insert our hook into the 7th stitch. Here we are making chain 6 as we have making to the previous year. Here we again cut the yarn. We will tie the all loops behind the face. Now we will glue the nose and make the embroidery line. I have safety nose here. We will paste it at the center of the face. First of all, we will embroider the smile line. And then we will make mustache. We will make the mustache at the both sides of the face. After making mustache at the both sides of the face, we will embroider the eyes. Here we will use bead stitch. You can search how to embroider the bead stitch at YouTube. We will embroider the both eyes and cut the extra yarn. You can see we have almost done our embroidery of the face. After embroider the face, we will make straps for the bracelet. First of all, we will set the face. we will make the straps with any color, any given color. I am using orange color. You can make chain according to the size of your arm. Now make the strap with the other side at the parallel of first strap. Again tie the both loops and cut the extra yarn and cover it with glue so they will not open again. Now we will glue the face with the back side of the hair. Now we will glue the face at the back side of part of hair, which is also part of face. You can also fill it with a little amount of polyfill fiber or the extra loops of yarn. And now we will paste the face. We will also glue the ears at the hair in this way. Now your tiger face bracelet is ready to wear. Everyone can make it in very easy way. Now we will meet into the next video. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.